So this is my survey. I used SurveyMonkey to create this, and it's called Do You Know Your Alphabet and Sentence Punctuations? It's basically a survey for K through 5 special ed, more so maybe second to fifth grade kids, because I don't know if kindergartners and first graders necessarily know all of these questions, but it's the general population. About 10 questions, just asking if they know their alphabet, the order, if they know how to punctuate their sentences, and how comfortable they felt with these questions. And this SurveyMonkey app allowed me to add my own questions with multiple different types of answer choices, and it allowed for me to make a question wrong, make it correct, how many points I could give them to answer these questions correctly. And it said 91% should know this survey, but I'm assuming like 80 to 100% for these kids. And I based the survey off of my outline right here. And then that's basically it. And I had 3 different people. I sent them the link to answer the questions to my survey. And I'm assuming they all knew it, but yep, that's it. Thank you.